This 43-inch wide dual-fuel range by LaCornue is from the CornuFe 110 series. It is available in 8 classic colors, 4 designer colors, and 3 standard trim options. The color combination shown is tapestry with satin chrome accents. It has 6 heavy-duty cast iron grates with 5 solid brass cast metal topped seal burners with removable caps. Burner output highs are 1 6,000 with a low 600 simmer, 3 12,000, and 1 17,500 BTUs. The surface of this range top is stainless. At the edge of the burner top is a matching satin chrome towel rail with 8 satin chrome control knobs. 5 are burner controls with guides to help easily identify burners. 2 control oven temperatures, and 1 is for multiple oven functions in the left oven. There's also 2 oven light buttons and 2 preheat oven indicators. Inside each oven is a black enameled interior with 5 rack positions and a convection fan and oven light. Included accessories are 2 flat racks, 2 drop racks, 2 enamel baking trays, and 1 trivet. The lower drawer is storage for flat pans and baking sheets.